Hello guys, I'm back with another video. In this video we will make an PDF, an audiobook using Python. I'm using Visual Studio Code as my IDE and I have made a file audiobook.py. Let's talk about the modules needed. First of all, you will need the Python text to speech module, Python text to speech version 3. Okay, now which you can install by simply typing in the terminal pip install python text to speech version 3, and then you have to install this winshell module, pip install winshell. Next you need another module, pydf2, okay, which you can install by simply typing pip install pydf2. So let's get started by importing Python text to speech version 3, and let's import winshell. Okay, just I press an enter here. Okay, nice. Import pydf2. Okay, now let's make a variable book equals to open. Here you have to write the name of the file. So I have a sample.pdf file, and next you have to just write rb in inverted commas, and next we are making another variable pdf reader, which is equal to pydf2. Okay, you have to put this p capital, so this p will also be capital. pydf2 dot pdf file reader, and what should it read? Book. Okay, now we are making another variable to print the number of pages, pdf reader dot num pages. Okay, now let's initialize our speaker. Now Python text to speech version 3 dot initialize. Next, for num in range, let's make a bracket and write, you have to write the page number, for example 14 pages. This is so we need here columns. Next, page equals to pdf reader dot get page, and here you have to write the variable num. Okay, now you have to extract the text from the PDF. So we make a variable text equals to page dot extract text. Now the speaker should say the text. Now speaker dot run and wait. So okay, let's run our code and check for errors, if any.
Python 3. 2. Python 3.x introduced some Python 2
So
incompatible keywords and features that can be imported via the in.
So our code is working fine. So like and comment this video, and please do share this video with your friends. If you get any errors, please type it in the comment box. I promise to respond to each of the single comments. So please press on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon. So bye, meet you in the next video.